If you are also facing GCash network error on your GCash website on your PC or on your mobile phone, how can we simply solve this error? Firstly, we just need to understand that why this type of error occurs on our PC or on our mobile screen. For this, I will simply go to the GCash official website and log into my account just to show you that if you're facing the error, then how can you solve that? Let me just go to the GCash website here. I will type GCash and you simply have to log into your account. Make sure that you have a better internet connection. I will show you that later. So this is my GCash homepage here, and I will click on register or login button, whatever button here, and simply redirect to the login page here. Now, if you're facing the network connectivity error in any feature of this application or website, how can you solve it? Make sure by clicking on the Wi-Fi option that you're connected to a better network connection. I'll refresh my Wi-Fi network here and connect it again. Now it's connected, as all of you can see. What the second thing is, I will simply clear this page and clear all the tabs opened on my Google Chrome right now. So one by one, just clear the tabs. It is just to restart your laptop or PC and to refresh your network connection. That will help you a lot. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.